Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use VSCO video and photo editor. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. VSCO is a photo editor and video editing app that lets you apply beautiful filters to your photos and videos. Use professional editing tools like exposure, contrast, grain, and more. Create and share your visual style in a minimal social space, then edit with simplicity, no clutter, no likes or comments. So what makes VSCO special? Film light clean and artistic filters that give your photos a stylish look. For advanced users who want to control, available in paid app version, and then a quiet creative space to share your work and find inspiration. Now, in order to use it, first what you need to do is head over and open up your app store. Then on the search bar, simply type in VSCO, and then once the search result loads, what you need to do is look for an app icon like this on your search list, then simply tap on that. Now inside, what you need to do is tap on the get button and then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. Then once downloaded, what you need to do is tap on open. Now once you're inside here, all you gotta do is log into your account. Then on logging, you'll find an option on the bottom with the plus icon. Then simply tap on that, and now all you have to do is choose a photo or video from your gallery to import in your VSCO Studio. Then tap your imported photo or video, then scroll through these filters and tap one to apply. Then tap it again to adjust the strength of the filter from 0 to 12. Then you can use manual editing tools like exposure for brighten or darken, and contrast for sharpening the light and dark areas. Then saturation, make colors pop or fade. Then grain, add textures like old film. Then clarity, sharpen details. And skin tone and HSL, available in VSCO Pro. Now, in order to save or share your work, what you need to do is tap on next when you are done editing. Then choose the save to your camera roll or share your VSCO profile. Then you can also share to Instagram, WhatsApp or anywhere else you like. Then you can explore and get inspired from the Discover tab on the bottom to see photos from other users. You can also leave likes and comments as well and follow the creators you like to see their latest work. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.